Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have completed the portion of the unit Performing Arts. That was, we have listened to the audio CD titled Listen and Comprehend. So, students, this poem we will not do, and this one. This is a group activity that is to be done in the school. So, here, like that only, we will not do it. So, today we will start from page number 105, C part. Read following newspaper clipping. So this is a newspaper clipping. It is about a magician. Taj Mahal vanishes for 2 minutes. What is the meaning of it? Means Taj Mahal disappeared for 2 minutes. So let us read the news. New Delhi, November 9. The Taj Mahal vanished for over 2 minutes on Wednesday, leaving police, local officials, and the media stunned, reported the Hindu newspaper. So, according to this newspaper clipping, according to this newspaper report, Taj Mahal disappeared for over 2 minutes on Wednesday, and everyone was stunned, means shocked. The disappearance of the monument was part of a performance by a magician, P.C. Sarkar. So, Taj Mahal was disappeared by a magician. His name was P.C. Sarkar. I just kept the Taj away from your eyes. It was a perfect illusion. The paper quoted Sarkar as saying. So, what statement did the magician give? He said that I kept the Taj away from your eyes. It was there only, but that was not in front of your eyes. It was a perfect illusion, means it was there, but I made it away, but it was there in reality. That is an illusion, deception. The paper quoted Sarkar as saying. Sarkar performed the feat in the afternoon from a distance of 400 meters. This was his first performance in India after 1992 when he made a running train disappear. So, after 1992, now he came, and this is 2005 according to the news. The 53-year-old magician is also credited with making the Victoria Memorial in a 19th century landmark in Calcutta vanish in 1990 and an aircraft disappear in Hamamata in Japan. So, earlier also he has done these kind of tricks of magic, like in 1990. 19th century landmark was made disappear by the magician, and in Japan he even made an aircraft disappear. I don't possess any supernatural powers. So he said, I do not have any supernatural powers. I don't have. This is the science. This is all science of controlling the mind and the willpower to create a psyche balance with the environment. It is just. Now, students, work with your partner. Write down what your views are about magic as a performing art. Is it reality or an illusion? So, students, this you are going to write in your book. I like magic. It is very exciting to see magic tricks. It is a very challenging performing art. One has to do a lot of practice. But according to me, it is an illusion. Okay, students, this is the answer. This is C part. C2, you can cross it. We will not do it. Okay, C2. Now, students, now read an article on the great magician P.C. Sarkar. He really the world's greatest magician. P.C. Sarkar is known to everyone for magic in the entire world and to millions in the many countries and continents wherein he has performed. He is a well-known personality in the entire world where he has performed his art. We knew he had to have a great show, and when we arrived in Calcutta, now Kolkata, to look him up, we were thrilled to find he was about to open a long run in the New Empire Theatre there. So, you know, he always had a great show and we were very exciting to see him. So, we went to Calcutta to see his magic. Then we changed our flight. What magician would not have? This we could not miss. We found Sarkar backstage as at rehearsal and setup, a task which takes about 40 hours. So we found where the Sarkar was. PC Sarkar, the magician, he was backstage where he was practicing and he was preparing for his tricks. So it takes 40 hours. In fact, the theatre closed completely for one day to permit this. We found a dozen lovely Indian girls working on silks and flowers. You can see in the picture that many beautiful girls were there. They were preparing some clothes. A stage crew of men lifting an automobile from alley to stage level, 2 floors up. A native orchestra playing wonderful Indian music, the bells, the flutes, drums, etc. Everybody had a job, everybody was busy. So at that time, girls were working on silk and flowers, and the men, crew of men, they were lifting an automobile. Automobile means that some kind of vehicle from a narrow passage to stage level. So orchestra was also there, music was there. At the box office where Sarkar kindly fixed us up with seats, we saw the advanced booking sheets, page after page of sellouts and growing sales, often weeks in advance. So, you know, seats were booked. Already they were booked. The queue at the box office was an evidence itself. There was a long line at the box office to buy tickets. Just for fun, as we moved around the city, we asked all sorts of people if they knew PC Sarkar. Everybody knew him. So, when we were just moving in the city, just for fun, we asked the people who was PC Sarkar. Everyone knew him. By the opening night, Sarkar had the front of the theatre alive with his publicity. The house was full, quite a few more men than women, and of every Indian type and region, and as characterized by their turbans. So, in the opening night, front of the theatre was alive with his publicity. The house was full, means it was a house full. Men were more in number than women. The show ran 2.5 hours, and we went to go on record as saying it was the finest all-around magic show we ever saw, and that include Thurston, Blackstone, Dant, Kalang, and many others of the greats we have seen in our long magic lives. So when we saw the magic tricks, it was marvelous. They were finest. Everything was there. We based the comparison on the fact that Sarkar had more personnel, more equipment, more variety. His own orchestra had taken over a big theatre for months, etc. So, his staff employed was much more than ever. Equipment also he had, everything he had. Complete description of the show is impossible here, so I am not able to describe the show completely here. It is one of the largest illusions and beautiful stage settings, opening with production number that fills the stage, not only with silk, flowers, clock, numerous other items. One of the largest illusions were there. Illusions, okay? It was not a magic only, it was illusion also. Beautiful stage settings were there. अगर आपने कभी magic show देखा है, then you will be able to see. When we were children like you, नाहन में भी magic shows होते थे, ठीक है. और शायद ये जादूगर सम्राट शंकर, यस आई रिमेंबर, आई थिंक जादूगर सम्राट शंकर. और शायद हम और भी छोटे होते थे तब भी मैजिक शोज़ होते थे. मैजिक शोज़ कैसे होते हैं? स्टेज बहुत ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट होता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सजाया हुआ होता है. सिल्क्स होते हैं, कपड़ा सिल्क का वहाँ पे टांगा होता है उन्होंने, फ्लावर्स आर देयर, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. Sarkar has an ability to get laughs out of the most unlikely situations. In his production numbers, girls and boys kept bringing out racks, stands, tea bar, etc., so that each time he seemed to have finished, they brought out another empty one and sighing. He went back to producing, the audience got good laugh out of it. So, he had an ability to make people laugh also. Okay, and number of boys and girls, what is their work? To bring out racks, different equipments, so that every time Sarkar has to do something to make people laugh and make them amazed. His water from India, that is very very interesting. हमने भी देखा है ये. अब वो कौन सा magician था, I don't know the name. एक जग है उसमें से वाटर ऑफ इंडिया वो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता. पता नहीं क्या इस तरह का कोई मैजिक था. Okay, so students, up to here only we will study today. Revise the chapter thoroughly. Thank you students. Have a nice day.